How to duplicate a task on ClickUp. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now, this is going to be very easy and simple to do, yet very powerful, because if you have a specific task with lots of details and you want to do it all over again multiple different times, it's going to get a little bit ridiculous with the time-consuming stuff. But we can just feel free to duplicate it and move it around also. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do. First, locate the task. I don't really have a task yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and create one and be creative with it. I'm just going to name it task 1. I know I said be creative, but not with the name at least. And if we just go ahead and open this up, let's just go ahead and show or add as many things as possible just to show you what does actually get carried over with the duplication part of things. So test. Tag and assignees is also going to be me. Priority is going to be urgent. Track time, no. And then with the relationships, we can just keep it waiting on, and then we don't really have another task, so we can't really do that. Anyways, I'm just going to leave the relationships off with a tag, and let's see if we also add an attachment, whether it's actually going to carry over or not. So upload file, and let's just upload this color red image, and we're good to go if you want to add some custom fields as well. Now, in order to actually duplicate this task, it's very simple. Just go ahead and hover over it and go to the 3 dots right next to it from the right side. Click on that and then just click on duplicate. And then you are just going to duplicate it to a specific place. So for example, we can just go ahead and give it a new name. Let's just name it duplicate of task 1, and then we are going to create it in testing space, but this time list 2. And then we actually want to rename this to task 2 instead. And here we can actually see customize or everything. So for everything, it's pretty much going to take every single thing and is going to pretty much duplicate it for us. And then if we just do customize, only the things that we tick are going to be carried over. If not, then it's not going to actually show. So as you can see, we have relationships, tags, assignees, attachments, even checklists. So most things here, and you can actually see all of these things that we can carry over to the other side. Or we can just simply select everything, and we can just go ahead and either copy the task activity if you want and send notification. I'm just going to turn that off. Click on duplicate, and we're pretty much set. Let's just go to list 2, and we should find task 2, which is the duplicate of task 1. And if we just go ahead and click on this just to view, we can actually see that priority is urgent, the dates is set, the status is also set, the assignees, everything is going to be exactly the same, and also the attachment. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.